Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Just focusing on your breath going in and out. And once we've taken a few deep breaths, we're going to start noticing parts of our body. So we're going to start at the top of our head and just sort of notice how it's feeling. And let that move down into like your forehead, your face. Try to relax the muscles in your face, in your head. Notice how they're feeling. Does your face feel tense? Do you feel any pain or anything like that? Just notice it and do what you can to sort of relax those muscles as best you can. So once you've done your face, we're going to move down into your neck. You can sort of, whatever is comfortable for you, just move your neck a little bit and then relax. Again, if you have any stiffness or tightness or pain, don't push it or anything like that. Just be aware of how your body's feeling. We're focusing on awareness and not trying to fix anything right now. Okay, so now focus on your shoulders. I know your shoulders can get tight. Mine definitely do. Move them around a little bit if you'd like, and then try and relax them. And let that relaxation go down into your arms and your hands and the tips of your fingers. Sort of wiggle your hands and fingers and then let them relax. Now move back to the center of your body and think about your torso, your stomach, all your internal organs where you hold a lot of stress, or some people hold a lot of stress. And take a deep breath and see if you can just sort of relax those stomach muscles, your lower back. Move around a little bit if you need to and just keep relaxing. Then move down into your thighs. Get a sense of your legs on the chair or wherever you're sitting, a couch. Just let them get a little heavy and let them relax. And do the same with your calves. And then once you get down to your feet, try to feel them, the weight of them on the floor or wherever your feet are right now. So just let them relax and really feel that grounding energy. And once we've gone through our whole body, we want to take another few deep breaths. And as we're breathing out, just think about relaxing your body as best you can.